Hello. Welcome back to a weird unboxing video. It is Paul. I am Paul. This is Paul's Aquariums, aquarium shop in Brisbane. We have some very, very cool fish in this video. We ended up with getting some local bred stingrays. I think we got Matoro cross black diamonds. I think there's two of those, and there is one pure female mantilla stingray. If you haven't had stingrays before, they get huge, like big, about the size of that tank almost. So you will need a very, very big tank for them, like 8 foot by 4 foot minimum for one. Sounds a bit excessive, but they get huge. Very, very cool fish. Also got some local bred L number plecos. Not too sure which L number plecos we got, so we'll find out in a second. And a few other random bits and pieces. So this is a completely random video of unboxing. Anyway, enjoy. Let's jump to the cool stingrays. And we have an awesome box of fish that I want to take home, but my accountant won't let me. I know. We have two different types of L number plecos. These are L15s or L15, depending on what way you want to say it. They are a really, really nice South American sucker fish. These are not algae eaters. They need a higher protein diet. I think we've got a fair few of those. It looks like there's 2 bags of the L15s. There'll be males and females there. A little bit hard to tell, but you can go by body shape with them. It's not too bad. These are all sort of maybe half grown to 2/3. 2/3 grown? Is that even a thing? Above teenage ages. What am I even saying? We also have 3 bags of L29s. If you've never seen an L29 before, they look like a triple free. Stripy pattern, very, very nice. Again, they are high protein eaters, so you don't want to feed them just low protein algae wafers. They will munch on algae wafers, but in the wild they'll eat shrimps, they'll eat little worms, crustaceans, decomposing fish. If anything dies in the bottom of the tank, they're going to munch away on them. So you want high protein wafers and all that sort of stuff for them. The stingrays. Looks like we have one pure female mantilla. So mantilla stingrays will get pretty big. Females always get bigger than males in most of these species. Males can still get pretty big, but the males will grow about maybe half the size to 2/3 the size of a female if you're lucky. So a lot smaller. So if you do want one stingray in a slightly smaller tank, like an 8x3 or a 6x3, 6x3 is kind of pushing it for one male, but it does take them a few years to get to full size. A male would be definitely the way to go. So I think there is one male hybrid. What's that? That's a male hybrid. So a male hybrid, that is a black diamond cross Matoro. I was going to say mantilla, but Matoro. So Matoros are a brown with lovely orange spots. Black diamonds are black with white dots. So you'll get a kind of a mix between those two. I think there is one male, one female. That one looks like... So that is a female, so we've got one male, one female of them. And this girl here is the pure mantilla. So mantillas will stay the lovely brown color, and they'll get like a cool coral pattern over them as they mature. So a lot of the rays don't have much color when they're smaller. Once they get around that sort of 30, 40 centimeters, you start to see the colors and the patterns develop until they mature. Very, very awesome, as I said. Need a big tank for these, so the bigger the water volume, the better. You can keep them in smaller tanks connected to larger systems, but you need the water volume to make sure there's no ammonia or nitrates. So unlike a lot of other fish, they don't cope with hardly any ammonia, any nitrates in the water. They eat a lot of food, produce a lot of waste, so you need really, really good filtration and a big water volume to keep them happy and alive. Anything you need to know about them, just comment down below or come and see us. But that's the L numbers and the freshwater stingrays. In this, we're going to jump to some more awesome fish. Oh, and we got tons of neon tetras this week. How nice are they? I forgot to put them in the rest of the video, but otherwise, enjoy all these other fish. Look at the size of those fruit tree pots. We have another 3 boxes of awesome fish. What have we got? We have platies. I think there's about 3 or 4 different bags of platies in these boxes. So local bred platies. What are those? Oh, they look like zebradanios. So zebradanios, they are a very cool schooling fish. Temperate water, so they'll survive unheated to tropical in southeast Queensland. Really nice blue stripy fish. Well, sort of navy blue and silver. More platies, as I said, lots and lots of platies. Platies are a live-bearing fish, which means they have live babies, very easy to breed. There is a big murky bag. They look like they are goldfish. Well, of course they look like they are goldfish because they are goldfish. These are comets. Comet is a goldfish with a long, dangly tail. It's kind of dangling. It's dangling to the outside. What? Yes, comets are a type of goldfish. And more dinios. So that was box number 1. Going straight to box number 2. There is box number 2. Possibly a double up on all that stuff. I think we've got a fair few hundred goldfish. Yeah, there's lots more goldfish. These are all comets, by the way. Lots more comets. And lots more comets. Okay, a lot of comets. We have some more live bearers. These are mollies. They come from Mexico, area like that. They are a live-bearing fish, so which means little live babies. How cool are the Dalmatian ones? These like the water slightly alkaline, so you don't want the water below 7 for these. Very easy fish to keep. They are tropical, so ideally temperature between 20 and 26 degrees Celsius. How pretty are some of those? Lots and lots of mollies. Let's go to the last box. And it looks like we have something different. Hurrah. Lovely male guppies. Oh, there's some nice male guppies in there. Yep, they are all males. I think there is another box. That's not a box, that's a bag. Another bag of male guppies. More platies? Are they platies? No, they're not platies. They look like platies, but they are rosy barbs. So rosy barbs are another temperate fish. They'll survive unheated in southeast Queensland. Very nice, but a little bit nippy. Very good for unheated ponds, so on and so on. More zebradinios. And I think the last bag is zebradinios. If you enjoyed this super quick unboxing, click the thumbs up so I know. We will see you in the next video. Thanks heaps for watching. I'm watching you. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Thank you for watching.